So one of the things that you can actually go ahead and use Claude for is for travel planning as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say, I am planning to travel to Kuala Lumpur with my wife, my 5-year-old child. So prepare a travel itinerary for me for 7 days. Include flight days as well within it. My budget overall for the trip is $3,000 right here. Let's say, for example, tell me the places I can go to, which will be fun for all of us. We just want to visit one major place per days in 5 days. Let's say, for example, right here. So I can simply go ahead and do that, and let's not use the extended version. Let's just use a quick version for this one. Not much power is needed. And now I'm simply going to go ahead and hit the send button. So once you do that, it says, I'll help you create a wonderful 7-day family trip right here. And it says which city you're traveling from. So let's just go ahead and say Asia. I'm going to say relaxed and leisure right here. And what is your 5-year-old interested in? So I'm just going to go around and say theme, attraction, and game right here. It is asking me the contents as well. So you can see that it is searching for places right here, and it is creating a detailed plan right here. Let's say, for example, you can actually see that it is creating out the content for me. Like for each day, like you can see for day 1, it is creating for morning right here, and then the hotel recommendation, then you got the late afternoon and evening, and everything else right here, just like this. So you can see that it is still generating out everything right here, just like this from day 7, and there you go, there's the final and everything right here from flights, hotels, activities, and so forth right here. It's even adding in things like getting around and so forth. And once that is done, what happens is that it even adds in emergency contacts for you, as you can see right here. So it says, now let me create a visual map showing all the key attractions of Kuala Lumpur. So it is actually creating out visual maps right here as well. And then you can see a full, let's say, for example, plan right here. You can even download this out as well. So you can see that you got the let's say, for example, overall travel plan right here, just like this. So you can actually go ahead and see the 7-day, and then there's the Delhi budget allocation, as you can see right here. From the arrival day right here, from day 2, you can see like it says where to have lunch in afternoon right here. Then you can even go ahead and see everything else right here. It says, perfect, I have created a comprehensive 7-day Kuala Lumpur family itinerary tailored specifically for you. So you can see Delhi budget, everything else right here, just like this, along with the major attraction right here, planned out over here in the maps. So that is basically how you can go ahead and work around with travel planning workflows right here in Claude.ai. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.